Barakatuh. My name is Aisha Fayaz Babarekar. I am studying in class 6. Look at the chart. Types of triangles based on side. Three types of triangle. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle. The definition of equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. The length of all sides of triangles ABC are equal. Isosceles triangle. The definition of isosceles triangle. A triangle with two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. In triangle PQR, the length of two sides PQ and PR are equal. Scalar triangle. The definition of scalar triangle. A triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalar triangle. The length of the sides of triangle XYZ are all different.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hatif Abdullah. Look at this chart. Types of triangle based on side. Equilateral triangle. The definition of equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides equal is called equilateral triangle. The length of a side of triangle ABC are equal. Second, isosceles triangle. The definition of isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. In triangle PSR, the length of two sides PQ and PR are equal. Third, scalar triangle. The definition of scalar triangle, a triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalar triangle. The length of the side of triangle XYZ are different. Salam.